as a single person.
Ito yung mga blind buys ko.
Ang water na siya. Ganito itsura niya.
5-star Itzy Batasan. Basta dining time. 5-star. Dami tao.
Seven lang naman, guys. Welcome to my realistic day in my life as a single person without her doggies. I really miss my doggies, my babies. I'm staying dito sa house where I grew up in. It's 7:10 in the morning. Aga ko nagigising dito kasi yun naman, sobrang liwanag. No eye makeup.
Oh my god!
Okay, so before we go down, I want to quickly show you my diptyque collection. In no particular order. This is Ilio. Sabay ko ito binili with Orpheon. So si Ilio, perfect way to describe this is parang kayong nagsa-summer sa Greece. Perfect for summer. Orpheon, perfect for pangmalakasan. At first smell for me, para siyang very pang masculine. Pero pag nag-spray ko na sa akin ay nag-dry down siya. Oh my god, sobrang pangmalakasan. This is what I wear kapag may pangmalakasang event. Si Fleur de Peau and si Lilifea. Ito yung mga blind buys ko. If you're gonna describe this, no, yung ibang creators, sasabihin nila, it's very ethereal, fairy, ganun. For us, ni ate. Actually, si ate lang. Very lamay. Very lamay talaga. Grabe, guys. And kapag nilayer mo na siya with my Lupapié, ang bango na niya. And si Fleur de Peau naman, if you're familiar with Glossier You, ito yung parang mas mature. Ito si ate, ito si millennial. Si Glossier You yung Gen Z niyang kapatid. Parang ganon. Si Lupapié, ito yung pinaka. This has gotten me so many compliments. Ito nyo naman, gamit na siya. Ginagamit ko rin to kapag bago matulog. Ito yung nag-start ng diptyque collection. Bought this nung December 2025. Last year lang. Tapos itong 5 to, binili ko siya in a span of I think 2 months lang or 1 month. Nung 2024 kasi, nung nag-Singapore kami, I went to diptyque. Tapos wala ko nagustuhan. Siguro nag-mature na yung olfactory sense ko. Wow! Getting water first before we head down.
May pang water na siya. Ganito itsura niya. Dito yung water.
Okay, so sa baba na tayo. By the way, 5-star Itzy Batasan to grab actually lahat ng branches. And then, this 2026 then 5-star Eats ulit yung 3 branches. So, yes, let's go. Right when you enter, andito yung mga pet menu items namin. So, pet friendly kami, of course! From 500 to 250 na lang per tub yung POC complete. Tapos may isa kaming open dito para check nyo kung gusto ng mga fur babies nyo, no? And when you buy then or coffee or matcha, then gusto nyo ng ganito, pwede din yun. And we're going to try this not sugar premium liquid allulose since naubusan na rin ako ng agave for my matcha. I just put all my things there. Naka-shorts lang ako, guys. Ano? Macchiato. Ahad.
Tapos less sugar.
Oh.
Walang sugar.
Ay, meron akong saktos. Si mama kasi diabetic. So, try natin. 0-calorie sweetener. No net carbs, 0 calorie, no aftertaste. So, this machine, meron na siyang tamper. So, pag kulang pa, yan, ganyan. It means okay na siya. This will do 2 pumps. Let's go steam milk.
Yan. So, nagbebenta si mama ng mga lutong ulam. Kain muna tayo bago umalis.
Wow, sisig. Best sisig. Wow, burger steak, pambata. Mangga! What's this? Menudo, igado? Let me know. Beef steak and pork chop. Drinks go.
I'll press the dining tayo, guys. Let's go. Mango. And dough. $105 po. Tama ba?
Yeah.
70 at saka 140, 70 at saka 70, dalawang 35 eh. Ay, 70 na lang. Steak tuwan maginhawa na. Dami tao.
Bumaba po no, tapos may 13 pa tayo na pumasok.
Let's go! Sumakay na. Kasi nagbaba kami ng mga gamit. Ay, sila pala nagbababa. This is our routine, weekly routine, no? Take the dogs out sa park. Ay, no. We bring them to the park every week. So, yun. Parang visitation rides ko rin. Pero, sabi ko visitation rides ko every day. So, ayan, dito tayo sa Ever. We're civil lang naman, guys. Siyempre, some of you might be wondering, no? Parang, civil, tapos indifference. Yes, indifference. Ano lang talaga, irreconcilable differences. Put our dogs' needs first, their best interest. Kasi it's a routine na din, and may body clock sila. I don't know, for some reason, alam nila eh. Pag hindi kami where's your car or WYC, magiging restless sila, mag-aaway-away, and very magulo. Kailangan ituloy yung routine, no? So, we made it a point din na i-clear yung mga schedules namin every week talaga. So, kung hindi pwede, isa sa amin hindi pwede Saturday or Sunday, mag-a-adjust na lang. Kasi usually Sunday yun. Buti nilang holiday today. So, yun. There's Ever. It's been a while, no? Nung high school, nung grade school kami, no, sobrang ayos pa nitong Ever nito. Dito kami nanonood ng movies, ganyan. Nandito sa TRC or the Residences at Commonwealth by Century, yung isa naming Airbnb. So, I'll link it below na lang kung gusto nyo. So, 2-bedroom siya with parking na rin. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, let's go na. I ordered Googo. Kapa. May fried noodles. Katabi lang nung quick. Hindi ko nakita. So I ordered. Andito raw si Mommy. Where is she? Kakamani-pedi ko lang. Ay, ayun si Mama. Natakpan. The siomai was so bad. But I was so hungry. So ngayon, magpapa-foods pa na rin ako because why not? Yay! Okay, mag-edit muna.
Lagyan natin ng maayos. Okay.
Eating at Lingnam. Mga frozen. We're outside because it's so cold inside eh.